How we doing today? Cooking with Meathead. Today we're making bananas Foster. First thing you want to do is get a nice big fat stick of butter. Because butter's good with anything. Now, you throw the butter in your pan. My hands were washed prior because you don't want any coronavirus in there. Throw that into your pan. Let it melt. Look at that. Oh boy. You guys don't know what you're gonna get here, boy. Brown sugar. You gotta have your brown sugar. Now go under here, get the cutting board. And depending on how many people we're serving, I'm gonna make 3 bananas.
3? I don't want any.
She don't want any over there. But you take the skins off the bananas, because if you don't, it just doesn't taste good. And don't let your butter burn either. You gotta always watch your butter. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's lower that down just a little bit. And make a nice banana sauce out of all these bananas like so. Now, we take these bananas, we're gonna put them right in there. Oh yeah. I'm gonna saute up those bananas, nice. Oh, delicious. This is gonna be good. Brown sugar. Now, I'm not gonna give you recipes. I'm not gonna give you a website to go on. You're just gonna have to look at it and figure it out yourself. Because I don't use things like measurements. Even when, no matter what I cook, my mother cooked that way, I cook that way. Get some brown sugar. I got pretty big hands. Got a nice handful of brown sugar in there. Don't be scared. Sprinkle that right on top. And put a little bit more, can't hurt. A little bit more brown sugar. Get yourself a wooden spoon. I like this one over here, it's better. Oh yeah. Look at that. Well, it's a very, very delicious dessert. With that brown sugar, and make a nice little caramel sauce out of it. And that's gonna be very, very tasty. Cinnamon. Put about that much cinnamon in there. Don't be afraid. If you're on a diet, I suggest that you don't watch this video anymore. Or if you're a vegan, or whatever the hell you are, this is for real men. Real men eat food like this. This is a meathead diet. This isn't keto. This isn't a Guido. This is a meathead diet. This is what the meatheads eat. See this here? If you could find this whiskey, delicious. Now, this thing's going crazy over here. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna shut off some lights because you're gonna wanna see this because this makes you horny. Shut the lights down because we're gonna put in this. See, I'll turn this light on quick. We're gonna put this in here like this. I'll shut off this light, pour this in here, and watch this. Boom! Whoa! Whoa! That's right! That's how the meatheads do it. Bananas Foster. You want to do one more little step.
Holy shit.
You want to grind a little bit of orange zest in there, because that makes it good. You don't like oranges? You can go fuck yourself. And this all cooks down like so. You shut this off, and you get some bowls out over here. You get a couple of bowls. Get some ice cream. Look at that. Oh yeah.
That's vanilla bean.
That's vanilla bean. Put some of that in there like so. See the nice mess I got over here? That's just the way the meatheads do it.
Putting so much ice cream.
We're all gonna share it. We'll make 2 of them. I want to get rid of one of these ice cream things.
I put one in the freezer already.
Now, put this in here like so. Oh yeah. Now, we take our deliciousness over here, and we got a nice big spoon. I'm gonna put this on top. Wash my hand off there. Looks like I got a little jizz on there. that was Maria. She was here earlier. I'm gonna mix all this up nice. See how all those flavors got to know each other? Now, put this on top of here. Oh, look at that. Bananas Foster, a la meathead. Your mother, somebody's coming over that you really like. Put a little light, a slice of orange on there. Just right across the top. Oh man. That's so good. I can't tell you.
It's melting by the second.